We are in Sapporo, Hokkaido, Japan, and we're going to show you the fun things you can do here. We are at Historical Village of Hokkaido.
This place has 60 plus historical buildings you can walk through and hands-on activities that bring the past to life.
For this one, you have to take off your shoes and put on this.
This is a post office.
It's a barber shop, but it looks kind of scary the way they put those guys in.
This is a grocery store, as you can tell. It smells sweeter in this one than it was. This one's a church. I just lived. This is an old stable and they make it smell like one. We're gonna milk a cow now. Brother's been waiting for us.
We just finished exploring the Historical Village of Hokkaido.
I really enjoyed looking at all the huge houses where they make you take your shoes off. My favorite was the fisherman one. That was ginormous and I really enjoyed what they put inside that.
This place in terms of land size is huge and you can spend a few hours here. And I'm kind of surprised that there's really not many people here, especially since we came on the free day. So if you're looking for somewhere that's not as touristy, you should definitely check this out. And the staff here are very nice. There's a lot of interactive activities. Our next stop is Sapporo Beer Museum.
Founded in 1987, this museum traces Japan's beer history inside a classic red brick brewery.
This museum has a free tour and a premium tour, and we're going on the free one, which is self-guided. Here Here they display a bunch of beer ads, and I find this one interesting because the kid is holding the beer. That is the Sapporo Beer Museum.
I really enjoyed learning about the process of how they started their business. There isn't much in there. You could probably spend like 20 to 30 minutes on the free museum, but it wasn't bad.
I think if you come here, it's best if you do the tasting if you're old enough, or if you reserve the better tour, because there really wasn't that much to see. But when you come to Sapporo, this is one of those places that you kind of have to stop by just to say you've been there. I also wish that the exterior was done, but they're renovating it right now. Now we're going to check out the underground shopping district in Sapporo. To end the day, we're in Susukino. So the Susukino district of Sapporo is actually multiple streets, but there's a lot of restaurants, nightclubs. You can rent girlfriends here. It's kind of like Las Vegas. It's time to check out Mega Donki.
This place is a huge Japanese discount shop with endless aisles of souvenirs, sweets, and surprises. Here we finally have the Don Quixote music. It put in such a tiny speak. See you in the next video. Bye!